Didn't I kick you out?
Listen, my grandfather was murdered shortly after investigating enhanced abilities and those missing kids. I just need to know what happened.
You sound just like him.
Then why didn't you run those articles? It was the same exact story you built your career on.
Well, if you're anything like Alvin, I know you're not gonna leave me the hell alone until you get your way. I dug this up.
What's this?
I saved this for over 30 years. Just holding on to an old friend, I guess.
Thank you. This means a lot to me.
Good. Young lady, Alvin tapped into something far bigger and much more dangerous than I care to be a part of. Jefferson made a good life for you and your family. Maybe walking away from this is best. Alvin said it then, and I still believe it to be true today. They're watching.
Wait, who's watching?
I'm sure if you find out, you'll get killed. Now go, and don't come back.
Who is it? Who is it?
Eldridge.
You still hit like a little bitch. What the hell you doing here?
We have some questions to ask you.
About what?
Your parenting skills.
My parent? Hell, at least I stayed, huh? I didn't leave in the middle of the night like your damn mama did. Instead, I fed you, and I clothed you. Even tried to take care of them twitchy-ass eyes of yours.
You're right. Mom's left and you stay. You did feed and clothe us. And I can appreciate that. Now. Yeah, I can appreciate that. The question is why? Why did you stay? Was it so you can have someone to torture, to beat on, to blame for your failures? Or was it about collecting money from the state? Because it certainly wasn't about love. You stayed. Leave him. Your back is broken, Eldridge. You're gonna die. And you're gonna die slow.
Tobias!